What is going on, guys? How are you guys doing today? As you guys know, I've been trying to fix this P0420 code on my WRX, and before I go on a big ramble, I'm just going to really show you guys how to do it, because I know when I'm looking up how-to videos, I really just want the person to get to it. So here we go. So I've been looking up, doing my research, and what I found you guys need is these spark plug non-foulers. I found this at Advanced Auto. I think the part number is 20009. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Just look up the Dorman Help spark plug non-foulers. And what you also need is a 1/2-inch drill bit. Now what you want to do, I'll take these out real quick like. Now what you want to do is drill out this hole with the 1/2-inch drill bit. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. And just like that, it is bored out. So as you can see, 1/2 inch. So what you want to do is grab your spark plug, or not spark plug, my bad. Grab your O2 sensor, put this one, the one you bored out on first, then put this one on top of this. So it's gonna be like this on the O2 sensor, and basically just put that back in, and it should be good to go. Now, depending on how long I drive my car, I might see if this actually worked, or if it takes me too long to actually drive 100 miles, then I'm just gonna post this video. So, I hope this was helpful. I hope this was informative. If you're new, click that subscribe button down below. Hit that like, and I'll see each and every one of you in my next upload.